Hi, this is a brief tutorial for the end of marking period, posting to your grades and putting in your comments and making sure your grades are posted correctly. The first thing you're going to want to make sure of when you're in your grade book for a section is you want to make sure the task is on quarter grade. If it's on interim report, you're not going to see your assignments for the quarter grade. So make sure your task is set to quarter grade. The second thing you want to be certain of is that you're seeing a running average of your categories. And in addition, you want to see a running average of your in-progress grades in the columns to the left of the categories. If you're not seeing that, that means that you did not set your grade calc options for your grade book. And in order to do that, you will have to toggle into your settings button, go down to grade calc options, and you want to make sure that every quarter grade is set to in progress and your grading scale is set to grade book. And if you weight your categories, you want to make sure that weight categories is checked. If you use the scores percent value, you want to make sure that that's checked as well. Now, you don't have to have a in-progress grade selected for interim reports because interim reports are not a numerical grade. So you want to go down to every quarter and make sure that your quarter grades have the in-progress grade and gradebook checked and your weight categories. And in addition to that, you want your final exam for Q4 and you want your final grade to have the composite grading set up. Once that's done, you should see the running averages in both the categories columns. Oops, didn't mean that to pop open. In the categories columns, oh, this is playing tricks. All right, back to gradebook. You want to see the categories columns and you want to see the in-progress grade columns with running averages. Now you're ready to post your grades. So the grading window is open, you receive notification via email, and you see the post grade in the in-progress grade column. The post is in an orangey red color. So you're going to click the post. Another window is going to pop up. It's going to explain to you that it's posting to quarter one, and the task you're posting to is quarter grade. You're going to select OK in that window. Another window will pop up. You will select OK again. And if you notice in your posted grade column, that's the column that gets actually posted to the report card. And you want to make sure the numbers in the percent and the grade column are in there. Now you have to hit save in order for these post grades to save. Otherwise, when you go into your next section, these will not save and it'll be blank. If you need to change a grade manually, maybe a student got extra credit or earned extra points, you can go right into the field where the percent column is and change the grade in the percent column, and it will automatically change the grade in the grade column. You have to make sure that both of these columns match. Now, if you notice, the percentage does round up or round down depending on where it falls. Once that is done, the next step is you're going to want to put report card comments in. Now, there's a couple of ways to do this. The first way is to literally go one student at a time by selecting the blue CC active link. And if you hover over the blue CC active link, you will see the memo that comes up that says add canned comment. If you do it this way, you will be adding a comment individually by student, which is fine. There's two ways to do this. You can select the checkbox next to the comment, next to the number, and then you can go down and select add comments, and you notice those comments will be added for that student. If you need to change the comments that you added, you just go back into the active blue link CC, uncheck the comments, reselect a comment, and hit add, and the new comments will go in there as well. If you want to add the same comment for your entire class of students, you can go into the fill comment. It's also an active link, the blue fill comment on top of the report card comments. And the other way you can add canned comments, especially if you have some of these comments memorized, is you can add the number right here where it says enter code. You could put, for instance, code number 9, comment number 9. And if you want to add more than one comment, you separate the comments by a comma. So I would add, for instance, comment number 9 and I don't know, maybe comment number 1. Then I would go down to the fill box, because now I'm doing this for the entire section of students, and another window is going to pop up and say, do you want to confirm this? I do want to confirm it, so I'm going to press OK. And gee, that didn't work. So let me try that again. I'm going to go in here. I'm going to select a comment. I'm going to select another comment, and I'm going to hit the add button. Then if you notice, the add button will then select the comment for you by automatically checking it. Then I'm going to hit fill, and then I'm going to hit OK, and then the comments will be right there in the comment next to the students. But before I go on, I want to make sure I hit the save button. Now, if for some reason you don't see these the blue CC add comments linked, that means that you did not select that in your account settings. So if you don't see that, you're going to go down to the bottom left of your screen, your gradebook screen, and you're going to select account settings. And you're going to go into account settings, and you're going to make sure that the bottom command is selected, used canned comments. So I'm going to click that, I'm going to save it, and once I save it, I'm back in there, and your links, the blue links, will be shown. Mine were there already, but if you don't see those, that's what you will see. I hope this tutorial was helpful. As always, if you have further questions, feel free to reach out. We're here to help you. Good luck and happy grading.